Hello? Yeah, I hear you. The medical team and my replacement are on their way? That's great. Please tell them to be careful. The blizzard has passed, but there's still a lot of snow out here. His breathing is a bit irregular, but stable. His pulse is stronger than before. Yeah, I'm keeping him warm, body to body. I'll hold him like this until the team arrives. I can manage. Everything is under control. We'll talk later. Thank you. They're coming. It might take a while, but they're on their way. The mountain's gone quiet now. The storm is gone. And you're in my arms, just like you were last night. And I'm holding you just as close. The mountain is beautiful when it's like this. It's so clear outside. Through the openings in the trees, you just feel like you can see the whole world. I know, maybe there's not much point in talking to you right now, considering you probably can't hear me. Maybe you'll hear my voice, and you'll come back to me. Can't hurt to try. I can feel breathing against my chest. Slow, a little unsteady, but it's there. When I first found you, I didn't think there was any way that you'd still be alive. But you are, and you're fighting. I'm glad you're alive. But you're still very cold. Not icy anymore, just cold. But that's progress. You're doing great. Oh, you're starting to shiver. Well, that's a good sign. Your body's trying to warm itself now. Couldn't do that before. You were too cold and too exhausted. Shivering means that your system is waking back up. Your eyes. I think you're trying to wake up. Can you hear me? Hey, it's okay. You're safe. Can you open your eyes for me? There you are. Easy, it's okay. I know everything is blurry right now, but you're here, with me. My name is Alina. I'm a mountain rescuer. I found you last night in the blizzard. You were severely hypothermic, but I've kept you warm all night. You're going to be okay. No, please don't move. Just stay in my arms. It wouldn't be a good idea to try to get back up yet. You've been through a lot already. You need rest, and you need medical attention. The team is already on their way. They'll take you to the hospital as soon as they arrive. But for now, you stay here. Let me warm you up, please. Yeah, you're still shivering. I know it doesn't feel good, but it's necessary. I'm feeling tired? Makes sense after all that mountain climbing. But just hold on a little bit longer, okay? Tell me, what do you want to do when you're healthy again? You want to climb the mountain again? If you do, you promise me something. Go with a better guide. A better group this time, alright? People who notice right away when someone is missing. Not only once they're back in the valley. Do you not remember what happened to you? No? That's okay. Don't force it. I was just wondering. You don't need to know right now. You just relax. Hey, no, don't fade on me. You did so well. Just hold on a little longer. Try to look at me. Focus on me, okay? No, stay awake. Think about climbing that mountain again. That's it. You're doing great. Do you hear that? They're here. Over here. Deep hypothermia. Unconscious when I found him. Initial pulse was barely palpable. Severe bradycardia, very slow respirations. I performed slow active external rewarming. Body to body, insulated. He started shivering again, semi-conscious at the moment. Breathing is a bit irregular but stable. Yes, I'm holding him. Hey, can you hear me? They're putting you on the monitor now. They're placing electrodes on your chest to monitor your heart rhythm. They're going to clip this thing onto your finger to measure your oxygen saturation. It doesn't hurt. There's no needles, okay? And a cuff around your arm to keep an eye on your blood pressure. How is he? Everything's still low. Yeah, I figured. I agree. He needs oxygen and an IV line with warm fluids to support his system. Do you have any heat packs? That might help. Maybe some warm blankets too. Yeah, give me the oxygen mask. Hey, are you still with me? I'm gonna place this over your nose and mouth now. Just breathe. Slowly, in and out. Shh, that was just a small pinch from the IV. No more, it's done now. You're getting medication and warm fluids through it to stabilize your circulation and support your blood pressure. That means it's going to warm you up. I know it feels strange, but it's helping you. We're getting you ready for transport, okay? You're safe. Yeah, I've got him. I'm carrying the stretcher, okay? You're still holding on to me. Don't worry, I won't leave your side. Let's lay you down. Easy, easy. Here comes the thermal blanket. And I'm going to secure you just to keep you safe. You're safe here. How are his vitals? Stable? Thanks. My replacement is here and taking over the station now. So I'm going to come with you. You're still tired? That's okay. You can close your eyes and sleep a bit. We're taking care of you. You'll be back on your feet soon. I promise. This script was written by SailToYourDreams and their friend Andre, who sadly passed in 2022. Thank you for posting this script and allowing me to fill it. It's been my honor.